Hi friends, welcome to your channel DIY Home and Living. Today's video is about fridge organization. Fridge organization saves our time as well as our money, as better visibility and air circulation do not allow any wastage to happen. I'm going to give you 10 amazing fridge organization tips or hacks. Along with fridge organization, you're also going to learn to DIY a whiteboard for your fridge surface to organize it very well. Let's start with today's video, but before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Use freezer to store foods to save space and reduce wastage. Here in this basket, I keep things which are to be frozen and kept like green peas, french fries, etc. Here I have coconut cubes that I have prepared and kept which help me to prepare my meals instantly. Here in my freezer I save things which help me for preparing my meals. At the door of the freezer, I have kept the onion tomato cubes, the tomato cubes, and the green masala cubes. These all help me to prepare my meals quite fast. These are repurposed boxes of rava idli mix which I am using here as they are apt for my freezer door. As I am fully using my freezer door, there is lot of space in my freezer to place things whenever required. I have a dedicated video on meal prep. If interested, please watch the end screen. On the fridge door bottom shelf we have water bottles. I personally do not drink chilled water, but this I am showing for those who do. Place small and tiny things in trays or organizers. My vinegar bottle and pizza sauce, I have placed it in a repurposed sweet box without its lid. This is my condensed milk tin which I have wrapped it with a cling wrap and kept it, which will keep it fresh. Here in an old lunch box I have placed all the sauces, tomato sauce, soya sauce, green chili sauce and different essence bottles which I require. This way you can easily grab all at once. Not only that, if there is any spillage, you just need to clean the tray. Your fridge will be stain free. Place items frequently used at eye level. On the third shelf of the fridge door, I place ginger garlic paste, red chili paste. This is my garlic pods jar which I have to refill. This jar holds all my lemons which stay fresh for long, keeping in a glass jar, and the tamarind paste. This is repurposed sweet box cover which we usually throw away. Here I am using it as a tray to hold all these items. Again, these two I place on sweet box lids which have been repurposed as trays here. All these jars are to repurpose that are of jam and other things. Here I have applied aluminium foil tape to their lids so that there is uniformity and they look good too. I have also labeled all of them with masking tape. In this small shelf I keep medicines which are meant to be kept in the fridge. Again in a transparent sweet box. On the top shelf of the fridge door, here I have the green chutney. This is half cut lemon to absorb all the bad odor and provide freshness to the fridge. And in the salt shaker, I have put baking soda that will absorb all the bad odors and pungent smell coming out from the fridge. I have cut and placed fridge mats at the bottom of all the shelves. The fridge mats and the sweet boxes, bottoms and lids save the fridge shelves from getting dirty. Organize by category. On the top shelf just below the freezer, which is the coldest one, I place all the dairy products here, except for the curd. These are milk packets in a basket. In this small basket, I have placed cheese spread and butter. I believe in keeping foods visible and convenient to use. Cutting the butter each time is a waste of time. So I already cut the butter in cubes and then place it in a container. This saves a lot of time and effort. Use organizers for small and random things. I place all the leftover foods in this basket. First shelf is most visible and easily accessible one, so I keep leftovers here at eye level so that there's no wastage of food. Beneath this is a box of sprouts which I have made them at home. With a cling wrap on top, this keeps it fresh for long. In the next rack, I have this basket which holds pickles to be made, that is of amla and lemon, which are yet to be seasoned. This is the wheat dough I have prepared and kept. This is my instant chutney mix powder, wherein I will just have to pour in water and the chutney will be ready. Do watch out for this recipe in my upcoming videos. In this organizer tray, I have placed paper napkins so that it is saved from any dirt and spillage. In this basket, I have placed my curds, which is made at home, and few random things. Again, this basket too, I have covered the bottom with book binding paper. Placing the liners in the basket avoid me from cleaning the trays frequently. Any spillage, just change the liners of the trays and they are clean again. Use stackable containers to save space. In this shelf, I have used stackable containers that save lot of space. This is my coriander box, which has been labeled with a masking tape or a paper tape, and I have written on it with markers. Here I have placed my coriander neatly washed, dried and ready to use. I have used paper napkins on bottom and top of the coriander as they absorb all the excess moisture, due to which the coriander stays fresh for long. This I do for my green chilies, mint leaves and curry leaves. These 4 boxes here are of mint leaves, coriander, curry leaves and green chilies. Use sliding rack to use free vertical space. This sliding rack helps me to use free vertical space efficiently, wherein I store eggs. Most refrigerators have egg racks at door, but temperature function due to frequent opening causes bacteria to enter. Hence, store eggs inside the fridge, not on the door. Here in this tray I have caramelized onions which I prepare and keep. Use fridge liners or mats. Transparent anti-skid mats or liners make fridge look good saves from dirt and makes cleaning easier. The vegetable basket too I have lined with binding paper. Do not place vegetables or fruits directly in fridge veggie basket. I have the square basket which I am lining with the binding paper, and then I will place the tomatoes in it. Keeping your fruits and vegetables this way will save your time and energy in frequently cleaning your fridge vegetable basket. Placing your fruits and vegetables this way makes your basket look very organized and beautiful too. Here goes my lady's finger. And in this sliding rack, I have beans and carrots. All the vegetables are neatly cleaned and dried and in a ready to consume state. Look, here is how my organized fridge looks. The last and final tip is to use the surface of the fridge. On top of the fridge, I have put the fridge cover. In this pocket, I have placed the diary which has my day-to-day use recipes. And here's a pen. And here is the whiteboard which I have made just spending rupees 20. Yes, you heard it right. Rupees 20. I have made these whiteboards just by laminating white sheets of paper. I have stuck them to the fridge with the help of fridge magnets which are easily available anywhere. This is my memo board wherein I write the things which I have to remember but I tend to forget. I have embellished them with hand-cut glitter foam flowers. These are sticky notes behind which I have stuck magnet again which helps it to hold to the fridge firmly. In these sticky notes I write down the things which have got exhausted and which I have to buy. And this is my weekly menu planner. Here I have written the days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and all. And this is my breakfast, lunch and dinner menu. These are whiteboard markers behind which I have stuck magnets so that they stick on to the fridge well. And this helps me seal plastic covers, though this does not work so very well. I had got it from Club Factory, but at times it's useful. And this way I have used the surface of the fridge well. Lastly, I wrap the handles of a fridge with a cling wrap. This helps the handles to be stain free. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do share it with your near and dear ones. Take care. Bye bye.